they were subdued by Manding conquerors. Therefore, the nomenclature for settlements like Kang Mamudu, Kang Kuntu, Kang Wali, Kang Sambu, Kang Laji, and Kampanti were all believed to be earlier settlements of Bainunkas. However, in Kombo, most of the earlier settlements were named after the persons who established them. Accordingly, Sanyang was named after a Bainunka man called Sanyang Bajasi. The capital of Kasa Bainung Empire is called Brikama. There are speculations that Brikama, the present-day hub of public administration and commerce in Kombo, is named after that great capital. This is often refuted by Manding versions, despite several divergent versions on the origin of the name of this place. A lot of evidence about the establishment of Kombo seems to point at the fact that the Bainunkas were the earlier settlers in this region.
Janning mobe settle la Kombo, sanyande follow settleta. What monak Bainunkol bim bankol khan. Si merim balamit. Violence kelo ebam pare ka jabangul je nyala sirin banko ka wole Bainunka kelo sabu. Wo wato gunjurbe dami bi imantaka nun jeto. Oto be tumbum foloto. Dula dobi je ka fo je sandale. Bainunkole be sirin je ka fa sandal ba between gunjur and nyofele. Wo keno min biye.
Min folota ja. Ka fo le biarul. Biarul. Wolle folota ja.
Comme ko jam Bainunkol da malabiyan. Si kotenti jam wotuma bojante jatante dabonte sanyante si kotenti.
ñum fo jarol banko abe jarol le bulunu jarol bayni kakunda walle amal sori shambu anin kaba shambu walle abara man salaban wala mukabati wala mukaba shambu.
Migrations are said to be motivated either by pull or push factors. One of the push factors for Manding-speaking migrants was ecological. Their original home in Mali was affected by famine and drought. Consequently, the Contes and Jaras fled towards the west via Kabu. In Kabu, they felt it prudent to establish a political alignment with the then reigning king, Mamba Kotusane. The purpose of this alignment with the king of Kabu was to get military support in case of any eventuality in the Senegambia region. The migration of these Manding-speaking people took two patterns. Those who came passing through the sea in the north bank of the Gambia River were referred to as the Kasinkas, whilst those who passed through the south bank through Fonyi were referred to as the Karoninkas. The former were referred to as the Kasinkas because they lived with them for some time. The latter were called the Karoninkas because they had intermarried with the people of Karuni in the Casamas region of southern Senegal. The Manding-speaking people wanted to establish their dominance in the whole Kombo. However, the presence of the native Bainunkas posed a threat to their aspirations. Alternatively, they had to seek an external support from the then king of Kabu, Mamba Kotosane. Consequently, Mamba Kotosane sent a military reinforcement and the Bainunkas were forced to retreat, surrender, and finally fled to other areas. This was what paved the way for the total control of the Manding migrants, especially the Bojang and the Jata clans over Kombo. The Bainunkas deserted their cultural home to establish themselves in the southeastern part of the Gambia and other parts of Kombo. It was these wars that led to their extinction. Therefore, Kombo became the name of this region, referred to in Mandinka as those who are extricated from hostility.
The people that particular tribe, Bainunkas, hated them. And the people of Kabu came to help them and then remove that hatred. This is how Kombo came about.
Kombo nasi yang ulati. Baininka kontongolong. Ni kaiton dile bajila. Kombo. Afile shirin kama murija. Kombo itolle tarta nyato. Ikondano mbi kombo kundankango. Wala mo alingata kombo kundankolia. Biri futate matembo menne. Iko min nankai mukimi. Aja kamo denni. Kontol danta janne. Wala mfankaso pele tambidulati jesai. Iko negela jigedo. Wala mo ngamuru koma. Abiri murina koma. Ya bojonkinan kotake ya bojonkinan kotake. Ini labangol kabe nimmin nata. Te musiji malin to lumunyi shi karla. Homo gutamo ikamuni nyini. Kanno hode ke tema. Iko nka shidla la nyini. Damin nandine kanno ho dumina guno. Intol man shidla dile te shinola. Fonga shidla dila.
The pre-colonial Senegambia is tied into a complex web of socio-cultural alliances called Dankuto between states, ethnic groups, people of different patronymic names, and cousins. This is a significant bond in the establishment of territorial security and internal stability, sometimes referred to as joking relationships.